they break the circle of harassment, and all the harassment is like forgiven and so on. We want to give a hope sense of the at the end. Okay, and then we saw with the students that the system produced, the collaborative creation with the system produced so much involvement, motivation, and we thought some years ago if that could be applied to people with Alzheimer. And the thing is that with the system, we can build wherever collaborative therapy we can imagine with audio and with video. And one of them was what we are going to do tonight. Not this morning. It's a concert where people is connecting, here, but also from Spain and from Pittsburgh, controlling video creations for the music. Let's see this piece of news that explains all so well.